So guys, I am going to introduce you the method through which you can prepare an AI gun to an aseptic method. Okay?
Yes.
So first we are going to look at all the instruments which we are going to use in this process. So first is the thermostat which we will use for the thawing of the semen straws. So here as you can see it runs on the electricity and it has two symbolic lights. That is one red one, another one is a green one. And the red one,
Green one and red one.
the red one and the green one. So the red one is symbolic of that the water is not ready for the thawing yet, and the green one is a symbolic that the water is ready for the thawing of the semen straws. So now we are going to come to our other instruments, which is this cryo can. This is a cryo vessel. In this, which we will store our liquid nitrogen LN2, and this will be of the temperature minus 196 degrees Celsius. Here is the we can say the cap, or we can say the opener of this cryo can. So here we can see that there are two types of semen straws which we are having. One is of buffalo, which is of Murrah breed, and another one is cattle, that is of Haryana breed. So what we have to keep in mind while making an semen straw, that first we should have a like steel forceps or any kind of forceps. After that we have to pull the sheet, and it should come up to the height where it is visible, and it should not come like into the environment, it should be into the can only. So here you can see that I have taken one semen straw and I am going to put it in the thermostat. It will be for around 30 to 45 seconds. It's the thawing temperature of it, and till that we are gonna wait, and we are going to show you that how we have to prepare the AI gun. So here is the our AI gun. It is having metal sheet, and there is a plunger which we are having. While pulling the plunger, we can observe that we can pull it up to the place where there is resistance at some point of time. Like for example, I am pulling it up. So at this point there was resistance. After this, see, the plunger goes smoothly, but see here the resistance starts. So the plunger should be pulled down up to the part where there is only the resistance.
Yes,
Okay.
okay, boss.
So approximately I think so 45 seconds has been gone. So now I'm gonna take the cotton for wiping it up. The best way, take two pieces of cotton. Okay. So first we will take up this straw, and I've taken it into the cotton piece only. Don't touch it with your bare hands. We have to clean it up thoroughly, that no water should be there, otherwise it will be harmful for the semen. Now we are going to put it into the AI gun. So actually the semen straw is having two ends. One is factory seal and another is laboratory seal. Okay? So we have to cut it to the factory seal. So here is the straw cutter. We have to put it into the sealed mouth of the semen straw, and then we have to cut it. See, the mouth of the semen straw has been cut now. So as you can see, now you are going to put a sterile sheath onto the AI gun.
Okay.
So how we have to put it? This green marker is here. This should come down, and the another one is a cylindrical mouth. It should come up. Never touch the
Tip.
Another hand, or we can say the tip of the AI sheath with your bare hand. Otherwise, it can cause infection into the uterus of the cattle or buffalo which you are having.
Okay.
See, you have to just make a little bit pressure and it will slide. here we have performed how to make a perfect AI gun, and if you want to see how it works, it is simply like, as you can see, I'm going to push it and you have to just see that it comes out. See, all the semen has come down. Okay. So this is the method through which you can prepare your AI gun aseptically, and you